Have you ever wondered how people are making thousands of dollars per video using AI avatars? Well, in this video, I'll show you exactly how to create your own AI talking avatar for free. Yes, you heard that right. With AI tools like ChatGPT, Leonardo AI, DID, Writoo AI, and CapCut, you can create stunning AI-generated avatars that talk, move, and engage audiences like never before. And the best part? You don't need any special skills or expensive software. What is an AI talking avatar? An AI talking avatar is a digital character that moves its lips and mimics human-like expressions using artificial intelligence. These avatars are used for YouTube automation, online courses, social media content, explainer videos, and even brand promotions. Many people are already monetizing AI-generated content, making $1,000 to $10,000 per month just by creating faceless videos. Why AI talking avatars are the future. No need to show your face saves time on video production works 24/7. Without extra effort, high engagement, and professionalism, huge market demand for AI-generated content. So let's get started with step 1. Generating AI. Why do you need prompts? Before creating an AI avatar, you need a well-structured prompt to generate the perfect avatar style, facial features, and personality. This is where ChatGPT comes in. How to use ChatGPT for AI avatar prompts. Go to ChatGPT, chatopenai.com, and enter a detailed prompt. Example: generate a description for a futuristic AI avatar with a confident expression, blue cybernetic eyes, and a professional outfit suitable for a tech startup video. Customize the response by tweaking ChatGPT's suggestions. Save the detailed character description for use in Leonardo AI. Pro tip: if you're creating AI avatars for clients or YouTube videos, test different styles, cartoon, realistic, futuristic, or anime, to find what works best for your audience. Introduction to Leonardo AI. Now that we have our AI avatar concept, let's bring it to life using Leonardo AI. This is an AI image generation tool that allows you to create stunning, high-quality digital avatars. Steps to create an AI avatar in Leonardo AI. 1. Go to Leonardo AI, leonardo.ai, and sign up. Enter the ChatGPT-generated prompt into the AI image generator. Choose the art style, realistic, anime, 3D, cyberpunk, etc. Adjust settings like detail level, lighting, and facial expressions. Generate multiple versions and select the best one. Download your AI avatar in high resolution. Pro tip: for a more engaging effect, try different facial expressions. Smiling, neutral, serious, or excited, to match different types of videos. Why use DID for AI talking avatars? DID is a powerful AI tool that animates still images, making them talk with lifelike expressions. This is perfect for YouTube, educational content, and promotional videos. Steps to create a talking AI avatar with DID. 1. Go to DID and sign up for a free account. Upload the AI avatar you created in Leonardo AI. 3. Enter or upload a script for the AI to speak. Select a realistic AI voice from the available options. Click Generate and watch your AI avatar come to life. 6. Download the animated talking avatar video. Pro tip: choose a voice that matches the tone of your content. Professional for business videos, friendly for educational content, or engaging for entertainment. Why use Writoo AI for AI voiceovers? Writoo AI is a free tool for generating high-quality text-to-speech voiceovers. If you don't want to use your own voice, this is a perfect alternative. How to generate AI voiceovers. Go to Writoo AI and sign up for free. Paste your script generated using ChatGPT into the text box. Choose a voice style, male, female, deep, soft, etc. Click Generate to create a natural-sounding AI voice. Download the voice file for use in CapCut editing. Pro tip: experiment with different AI voices to find the most engaging and professional-sounding one for your content. Why edit with CapCut? CapCut is a free, beginner-friendly video editing software that lets you add effects, subtitles, background music, and transitions to make your AI avatar videos look professional. Steps to edit in CapCut. Import. The AI talking avatar video from DID2. Add the AI voiceover file from Writoo AI 3. Sync the audio and video to ensure smooth lip movements. Enhance with effects like background music, text, and transitions. Export the final video in HD. Final look at the AI talking avatar. Now let's see the final result. Here's the AI avatar I created using ChatGPT, Leonardo AI, DID, Writoo AI, and CapCut. Show demo video. Closing CTA. Call to action. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more AI content. Let me know in the comments if you want a tutorial on monetizing AI-generated videos.
Hey, this is your AI avatar. Hey, this is your AI avatar.